Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to remove the glare from your pet's eyes in a photo. So you're going to use the Eclipse tool and you're going to draw over the irises. And then you're going to go ahead and select the highlights and glares from the eyes and create new layers with them. And we already see that it looks better, but the outline is too harsh, so you want to go to the effects right here and you're just going to do your drop shadow and you want to take the distance down to 0 so it's right behind it, and you want to set the spread out just a little bit to get rid of your harsh line and change the size until it barely comes out. And you can see the difference in the right eye versus the left eye. And for a quick and easy way to copy the effect over to your other Eclipse, you're going to hold down Alt or Option, depending on if it's a Mac or PC. Click and just drag it up. And there you have it.